Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Spotify tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder playlist on Spotify. So first, I'll start out with how to reorder playlist in the desktop app, and then I'll show you how to reorder Spotify playlist on a mobile phone such as an iPhone or Android phone. All right, so to reorder Spotify playlist in the app on a computer, all you need to do is open up the playlist. You can find your playlist in the left sidebar. Then when you see a song, all you need to do is left click the song and you can move it to wherever you'd like in the list of songs and it'll stay there. So you can do this as many times as you want. Just select the song and move it to where you want it to go. To reorder Spotify playlist in the app on an iPhone or Android phone, all you need to do is open up the playlist in the app, and I'll do that by going to your library and then selecting the playlist. Then once you have the playlist open where it allows you to either shuffle or add songs, select the three horizontal dots just to the left of the play button in the center of the app. This will bring up the options. Scroll down until you see Edit and select Edit. From here, you'll see where you can edit the name of the playlist, and then it will show you the songs below. To change the order of the songs, simply long press the horizontal lines on the right side of the song you want to move, and then you can move it whichever order you'd like in the playlist. Once you're done changing the order of the Spotify playlist, select Done, and then you can listen to your playlist with its new order. All right, so that's how you reorder Spotify playlist. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Spotify tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.